Hello friends, welcome back to Home Sense with Nell. Before I get started today, I want to let you know that I hope that you are all safe and healthy and continually fighting for justice and equality all over the globe. Now with that being said, I want to share a couple of items that I found recently that are really making my gardening life that much more exciting. The first thing is a set of solar outdoor lights that I purchased from Amazon. And the way I found these is they actually were advertised to me through an email, and they just look so awesome and intriguing because I know that we're going to be spending a lot more time at home this summer, and we just want to make our backyard and our garden as enjoyable as possible. So I went ahead and ordered these solar lamps, and they arrived from Amazon in just a few days. And I ordered a set of 4, so the kit that they sent me included 4 lamps, 4 ground stakes, and 4 stands. Now the lantern portion itself is available in a lot of different designs, and this is not a sponsored video, so I'm not affiliated with this company, but I did want to share this product with you because I just enjoy it so much. So as you can see, the solar panel is on the top of the lamp fixture. And here are the 4 ground stakes. And here are the 4 stands. And it's so simple to assemble. You'd literally just stick them all together. You do need to put a little muscle into it though. Now there's a little button on the bottom of the lantern, and you push that on and off. In case you were to go out of town or something like that and you didn't want them to light up, you could just turn them off. But these go on automatically by themselves at sunset every night, and they stay on until sunlight the next day. Now guys, these are available from Wish or I think I've seen them on Facebook Marketplace, but again, I did order mine on Amazon because I found the best price as well as the best design for me on Amazon. And I'm just showing you how they do light up once it gets dark. And this is how they look on the hillside after the first, they were actually charged in the box, so this was the first night. So guys, I am just so pleased with these solar lights. They look so realistic. They really look like candles burning on the hillside, but of course they're much safer. There's no fire of danger. And I just love that they come on automatically at sunset and turn off automatically in the morning. They're just excellent. And I wanted to see what they look like in my garden bed, and I think I like that look even more. It just gives such a cozy feeling to the garden. I usually come out to my garden several times a day to check on my plants, so this is a really cool addition. And next, guys, I want to share with you some flower pot pulleys that I purchased. I also purchased these from Amazon, but I have seen them on Wish. They are less expensive on Wish, but again, with Wish, you have to wait a couple of weeks for them to arrive. So it's a very simple design. It's just a pulley, and there's a hook at the bottom of the pulley as well as the top. And it spins, so that way if a strong gust of wind comes by and twists your flower pots, this thing will twist right along with it and it won't break. So let me show you how much these will simplify your life if you have flower pots like I do. Instead of having to grab a ladder or step stool and climb up there and water your plants and let your arms get all tired, you just simply pull it down to your waist level, and then you can go ahead and water your plants. I love this product so much. I wish I had it 5 years ago. And to set it back up there, all you do is just push it back up, and the pulley will catch at whatever height you want it to be adjusted at. So as you can see, I had it at one height and I pushed it a little bit higher up to my liking. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to share these two products with you that I found. I'll leave links below so you can browse them on Amazon if you like. But again, this is not a sponsored video. You can also find them on Wish or Facebook. Thank you so much. Have a great day.